Hello dear students, how are you? Hope you all are fine at your home and doing studies well. Okay students, I am going to tell you today our topic is operation on large numbers. This is the chapter number 2 and chapter 2. Today we will discuss here value based questions related to operation on large numbers. We will do here the value based question. Okay dear students, you have done all the worksheets, previous worksheets and chapter number 1 in April month, and now we will do here the next chapters and next worksheets here. So we will solve the value based question, and if you have any problem related to this video, so please students tell me on WhatsApp number I had given you. So students, let's see the value based question. Firstly, you will recite the story, and then there is any problem, then solve every problem by this question. Okay, yes students, see there. I will recite the story first. Rohan's father had rupees 1,75,845 in his bank account. Rohan's father have how many rupees? 1,75,845 rupees in his bank account. Okay, he has withdrawn some money. How much money he has withdrawn? 85,975 for repairing his house. For which purpose? Repairing his house. For repairing his house, his father had withdrawn the money 85,975 rupees. Now, Rohan had a friend Sunil whose family was very much in need of money for paying the hospital bills of his sick mother. There is another, his friend name is Sunil there, and Sunil has need some money and Rohan for his mother, because his mother is sick. So what will he do? What will he do? Rohan wished to help him and his family. Rohan wants to help him and his family also. So what will he do? Let's see there. He spoke to his father. And his father gave him how much money he have given him? 4,575 rupees. How much money given by his father to Rohan? 4,575 rupees. Out of the money withdrawn. Which money his father had withdrawn? He had given some money to Rohan. That is 4,575 rupees. So Sunil was happy and thanked Rohan for the help. Sunil showed the thankful to Rohan, and he was very happy. And if you give any help to the needy person, you will feel the happiness always. Yes students, you are like this? Okay, this story is telling us something to help the needy persons. Okay, dear students, let's solve the questions here. Question number 1 is there. Now we will solve the questions. Let's see there. And firstly, I will tell you the students, read the story again. One more time or two more time if you can't understand it. So, firstly, you will understand and remember the things in mind to before solving the questions. You read it carefully and note down the points. How much money given by, how much money Rohan's father have in his bank account, how much money he has withdrawn from his bank account, and how much money given by his father to Rohan. Yes, students, and for which purpose? For what is reflecting here, what activated value is reflecting here, we have to remind it. Yes, students, let's see there. Questions are solving there. Question number first is, how much money is left in Rohan's father bank account? What money is left there after withdrawing some money? Let's see there. Some money he withdrawn some money for repairing his house. So he have in his bank account the money is 1,75,845, and he has some money withdrawn from his bank account for repairing his house. So that money was 85,975 rupees, and he has given from this amount, he has given to his son, that is Rohan, and that amount was 4,575 rupees. Now, question is that left money in Rohan's father's bank account. Now, what will money left in the bank account? Yes, students, this is the total money in his bank account, and he withdrawn this money. It means we will subtract both the numbers, then we will get the left money there. Yes, look at that. 175,845. This subtract here 85,975. Yes, students, let's see here. There is a subtraction here, minus. We will get the left money. In left, if you have to solve the left money, then we will do the negative minus sign, or sorry, difference there. This is 0 here, this is 7, 14 there. So 14 minus 7 is 7, and there is 7 also, and 7 minus 17 minus 19, that equals to 8 there, and there is also again 4. If we carry there, then this becomes equals to 14 minus 5, 9. And this is also 6 there, and 16 minus 8, that becomes equals to 16, that is 89,870 rupees. Yes, students, any problem there? You will get the answer like this. Now you will do the next question. This is the left money in his bank account. Question number B is part B. This is the part A. Now part B is there. How much money is left for repairing the house? How much money is left for repairing his house? Now students, I will tell you that his repairing money for repairing his house, what is the money there? 85,975. But he has given to his son some money. What money? 4,575 rupees he had given to his son. So, after giving his son, how much money is left for repairing house? We will subtract both the numbers. Then we will get the remaining amount or left money for repairing his house. Let's see there. There is 85,000 left money. There is the left sign, so we will get here the difference. Left money for repairing house. What we will get here, that is equals to 85,975, 400, 4,575. Take the difference here. 5 minus 5, that is equals to 0. 7 minus 7, that is equals to 0. 9 minus 5, that is 4 here. 5 minus 4, that is 1 here, and is 8, equals to 8. 81,400 is the left money for repairing the house. Now, question number 3 is there. Question number 3. Which value is exhibited by this act? What will you get from this story? What will you learn from this story? And what are the changes in your life by listening this story? That are the values, and you will tell them here. Yes, students? Okay, I will tell you this. There are some facts here. He has helping someone. Rohan helping his friend. So there is the one nature also, that is helping nature. His helping nature is there. So there is 1 point exhibited value. See. Helping nature. Helping nature and caring also. He cares for his friend. He cares for his friend. It means there is a caring nature. It means caring also. You will get these answers. These are the value-based questions. If you have any problem, then ask me on WhatsApp number. Okay, students? Bye. Yes, students. We have done the value-based question number 1st. Now we will do the value-based question number 2nd. Let's see there. First, read the story. There is winter season is enjoyed by all. Winter season is enjoyed by all. It is very important to protect ourselves with warm clothes because this is winter season. So we have to protect ourselves with warm clothes. Now, and schools of a particular locality decided to donate warm clothes and blankets to people of needy nearby area who cannot afford to buy them. Now, locality persons decided to donate the blankets or warm clothes because there is a winter season and needy persons can't buy anything else which is necessary for them. They can buy, but it is very costly for them to buy the blankets or warm clothes, and so locality persons decided to donate the warm clothes and blankets. Now there were 38 schools and each school donated 25,365 for buying warm clothes and blankets. There are 38 schools. In the locality, there are 38 schools. Total schools are there 38. 38 schools are there, and each school, one school donate 25,365. So, how many donated by all schools? Yes. Suppose you have one pen and you have to donate it to any friend which he can't buy this pen. So it supposes cost is 5 rupees, and you have to donate 2 pens or 5 pens or 10 pens or 25 pens to 25 students which can't buy these pens. So how much money you have cost to 25 pens? Yes, let me tell you that one pen cost is 5 rupees. Then cost of 25 pens, 5, 5, 5, and this is the continuous process of addition. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. How many times you add? So this is the continuous process of addition, and continuous process of addition is multiplication here. So you will do here the multiplication. Is it clear to all students? Yes? We will multiply here. If we multiply total number of schools multiplied by money donated by each school, that we will get the all amount donated by all the schools. Yes. See there. And next, which were then distributed among the people of nearby area. They collected the amount from each school. From each school, they collected 25,365. But there are the 38 schools. They collected all the amount and donate to the needy persons. Yes. Now we will solve the questions. Read it again and again, at least 2 times, so that you can easily understand the questions and you can answer all the questions. So question number first is there. How much money was donated by all schools? How much money was donated by all schools? Yes, I have told you that total money donated by all schools, we will do here the multiplication, which we multiply 25,365 multiplied by 38. 25,365 multiplied by 38. We will get the answer here, that total money collected by all the schools. Let's see there. 8 5 ja 40, that carry 1 4, 8 6 ja 48, and plus 4 52, that we will get here the carry 5. 8 3 ja 24 plus 5, that is 29, and 2. 8 5 ja 40 plus 2 42, and this is 4 carry. 8 2 ja 10, 10 plus 4 40. This is multiplied there. Now again multiplying by number 3. 3 5 ja 15, carry 1 there. 3 6 ja 18 plus 1 19, plus carry 1. 3 3 ja 9 plus 1 10, carry again same 1. 3 5 ja 15 plus 1 16, carry 1. 3 2 ja 6, and 6 plus 1, that is 7. You have done so many questions related to multiply and division. So there is no need to clarify the all methods to how to multiply there. 5 plus 2 7, 9 plus 9 18 is there, 1 carry. 2 plus 1 3, 6 plus 4 10, and plus 1 carry. 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 1 9. This will get the answer here. This is the money collected by, this is the money, so we will write it the unit here, that is rupees. So total money collected by schools is 9,03,870 rupees. 9,03,870 rupees collected by all the schools. Now question number second is there. Suppose you see an old woman lady on the road shivering with cold. He has problem with cold. So what will you do to help her? What will you do to help her? You have to help her. So what will you do? Yes, obviously you will do the warm clothes or one blanket, so she can feel the cold. Okay students, so its answer is I will give warm clothes, I will give warm clothes and blanket to old woman. We will give blankets or old warm clothes to an old lady. Is it clear to students? Okay, bye students.